Hi everybody, I'm Stephanie, the Crafty Medic, and I'm here with my friend Cheryl. We are in Powell River, which as some of you may know is the traditional territory of the Tla'amin Nation. And Cheryl, who is a member of the nation, is actually going to share with us some of her family history, as well as some of the art that she and her family have made. So the first piece is this beautiful button blanket, which is very iconic for all of the Coast Salish actually have similar artwork. And who is this made by?
This was made by my mom.
Awesome.
Yes.
That's beautiful. And then do any of you guys recognize this animal? Again, fairly iconic to the Pacific Northwest.
Yes, he's a killer whale.
Beautiful.
Yes.
And behind us, you can see some more artwork here on the doors, and this is actually Cheryl's home. And why don't you tell us a little bit about this beautiful artwork?
It was a design done by my husband, my dad, and myself. We worked on it together, and my dad did the initial carving of the design. And he did a little bit of light carving on it. He was a little nervous working on doors. It's made of some beautiful yellow cedar. And so we got the doors back, and my uncle said that he would carve the designs deeper, and you can't really tell by looking at it, but it's really nice. It has a lot of depth to it, and he added in the abalone, which just made it pop out even more. And they're just pieces that are just another huge treasure that I'm really happy that it turned out really nice.
Yeah, they're gorgeous, and your dad and your uncle are actually quite famous in the community for their artwork.
They're master carvers. My dad has a totem pole just down the road from here, and my uncle also has a couple of totem poles down at the local viewpoint down here also.
That's awesome. So thank you everybody for joining us. I hope that you learned lots today and that we have lots of sharing. This whole idea actually came from when I was growing up. My community used to host a Multicultural Day, and everybody would bring food from their family, and there would be performances of music and dance. And so that's what I'm hoping to recreate here in a virtual format, is just this gathering and this sharing of different cultures from around the world. So thank you, Cheryl, for being here with me, and all of you guys for being here with us virtually. And we'll go on into our next presentation, and happy stamping.
Yes, have a wonderful day.
Have a great day.